Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You've got the hardware plugged in. Now open the Elgato app and select the compressor module. First, choose the correct input channel for your mic or line. Make sure monitoring is on so you can hear changes. Next, set a clean input gain so peaks average near -6 dB. This prevents overcompression. Once done, enable the compressor switch and load a preset or start with conservative settings. This gives you a safe starting point to hear how compression affects dynamics. Now you'll shape how the compressor reacts. Reduce the threshold until you see gain reduction during louder phrases. You'll hear the effect immediately. Then set the ratio. Start with 2:1 for transparency. Increase if peaks remain problematic. Make attack fast to tame transients or slower to keep punch. Adjust release so compression breathes with your performance rather than pumping. As you tweak, bypass intermittently to compare. This helps you understand what each control is doing and why those changes matter. Finish by applying makeup gain so the compressed signal matches your original perceived loudness. This prevents false impressions of improvement. Then perform a /B comparisons. Toggle the compressor to ensure it improves clarity without crushing dynamics. Finally, check output meters and listen through headphones at different volumes. If you hear pumping or breathing, reduce ratio or raise threshold and lengthen release. If harshness appears, lower attack slightly. If problems persist, restart the app and confirm firmware is current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.